Will HEX be the next big crypto? Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one, and drop a like for the video if you're interested in buying cryptos. Also, click on the bell icon to never miss a video from us. With all that done, let's get started. HEX was launched on the 2nd of December 2020 by Richard Hart. As in early days after launching, HEX was dropped by almost 50%, where most investors started making controversy. HEX is designed to be a store of value to replace the certificate of deposit as the blockchain counterpart of the financial product used in traditional financial markets. HEX is also designed to leverage the emerging DeFi or decentralized finance ecosystem in cryptocurrencies within the Ethereum network. HEX uses the Ethereum network for the transaction layer. That is, sending and receiving HEX tokens and interacting with the HEX smart contract. At the same time, the consensus code and staking mechanism are contained in the HEX smart contract. The newly launched scheme claims to give fixed interest without caring if prices are going bullish or bearish. HEX allows users to stake their HEX coins or recently issued HEX coins or a small inflation portion. It includes functions to stimulate behaviors that encourage price increases and prevent behaviors that cause prices to fall. Completing stake early and rewards you for making HEX stake for a more extended period. The official portal of HEX, i.e. hex.win, is already providing how HEX is growing and why it is better than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins in terms of giving higher ROI. This strategy is really working well because, as per the report of CoinMarketCap.com, the 90% from total supply are already circulated to the users. Bitcoin holders get special treatment in HEX, where over $1.5 billion Bitcoin has claimed free HEX coin and counting. HEX trades in cryptocurrency exchanges such as HitBTC, Bitcoin.com Exchange, XT.com, Bytesk, and Bitmart. The highest all-time ROI reported is around 2,672%. The HEX started going bullish from the beginning of April 2020, in which prices jumped from 0.000450 to 0.0057 in just 40 days. In the last 2 months, HEX experienced 1,166% growth in their prices. However, the main question that arises is that will this growth remain steady? There are a few factors to consider: shortage of supply and most of the holders getting huge ROI, which will lead to them selling the crypto, are the two main points. This may lead to the drop in the market cap. There are lots of questions to be asked, in which the most asked question is, will this growth rate remain steady considering the fact and shortage of total supply? Most of the holders getting huge ROI are expected to start selling, and that may cause a drop in market cap and then in the prices too. Most possibilities of HEX in this year will be reaching 1 cent. The report says more than 300,000 ETH are exchanged in HEX, approximately over 26% of HEX supply staked in 100,000 stakes, and that's an awe-inspiring response compared to currently active staking-based cryptocurrency. HEX already created the record most trade coin, which has an on-chain exchange. The team already compares HEX with top cryptocurrency, in which Bitcoin's all-time highest ROI is almost 24 times, and Ethereum went up by 230 times. So comparing with it, if HEX reaches $1, then return will be around 1,400%. And that is really huge at this point. Most of the top crypto is not showing much growth, and most of them are not providing staking on holding, as Ethereum 2.0, which enables staking, is going to take more than 1 year to get complete execution, so that HEX will be at this point the best option. The new proposed ecosystem by HEX is known as CDs, which stands as Certificates of Deposits worth $1 trillion. To claim the highest interest rate from CDs, you need to deposit money for a fixed time. In the banking world, it's called a fixed deposit, the profit which is given to HEX holders coming from banks and government money printing. HEX blockchain is specially designed for getting higher retained value in less time. To achieve profit in less time, they use computer science breakthroughs which use most of the largest markets in the world to obtain infinite profit margins. In this process of transferring, there is a middle person who charges different fees, such as transaction fees. So the longer you hold HEX, the higher is the percentage of the stake. To keep the price increase steady, they have launched a new theory known as PPGT, which stands on Price Positive Game Theory. In this theory, the ecosystem adopts a positive feedback loop. Currently, HEX holds third position on Nomics rank list, but will the latest upgrades, developments, and changes in the HEX blockchain help the cryptocurrency price reach higher? An ascending channel is the price action that takes place in an upward direction through a sloping parallel line. More so, some charts show the higher highs and higher lows from this price pattern. This pattern represents a short-term bullish. HEX turned from its bear to bull trend at the beginning of this month. This is the result of the high trade volume that occurs during that time. As of the making of this video on July 28th, the last reported HEX price is $0.000017. The 24-hour HEX volume is unknown. HEX.bet is traded on one exchange, with the top exchanges being Uniswap version 2. Over the last day, HEX.bet has reached 0% transparent volume and has been trading on 3 active markets, with its highest volume trading pairs being HEX $0, ETH $0, and HXY $0. Since the start of 2021, HEX's price has seen many bullish moves, which are higher than the previous one. More so, these are followed by fluctuations, consolidation, and corrections right away, taking this into consideration. HEX has a competitive market this 2021. HEX price shows a bullish trend. HEX might run along with the bulls if this trend continues, overtaking its $0.1 resistance level and moving higher. Conversely, if the investors turn towards the crypto, the bears might take over and push HEX from its uptrend position. In simpler terms, the price of HEX might plummet to almost $0.078, a bearish signal. Meanwhile, our long-term HEX price prediction for 2021 is bullish. It has a high possibility of reaching new heights. However, that will only happen if it breaks many past psychological resistances. HEX has a bright future ahead of it in 2021, with the ongoing developments happening within the HEX ecosystem. As well as in the overall crypto market, we may see HEX reach new heights. Bullish HEX price prediction 2021 is 12 cents. As said above, it may even reach its new ETH if investors have decided that HEX is a good investment in 2021, along with mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Interest in HEX outlook has grown after the crypto reached a new all-time high and then pulled back. According to Wallet Investor, HEX will reach 20 cents a year from now and 68 cents in 5 years. Wallet Investor's 5-year HEX price outlook suggests an upside of more than 700%. Meanwhile, Digital Coin's price forecast for HEX sees it closing 2021 at 14 cents with a 70% upside. It foresees the altcoin continuing to gain around in the coming years, hitting 17 cents in 2022, 20 cents in 2023, and 30 cents in 2025, a 250% upside to the current price, despite pulling back almost 20% from its all-time high. HEX has still gained nearly 600% in 2021. It's the official cryptocurrency of the HEX DeFi project, which boasts offering the first blockchain version of the traditional certificate of deposit that banks offer clients. There are 173 billion HEX coins in circulation, and its total supply is currently 633 billion coins. HEX doesn't have a maximum supply cap like Bitcoin or Yearn Finance. Longtime HEX crypto investors are happy a lot. The altcoin boasts a lifetime return of more than 40,000% in less than 2 years. The altcoin is up 600% in 2021 and has gained around 3,000% over the past year. The crypto is 20% below its all-time high that it touched on June 19th. Shortly after its launch, HEX crashed to an all-time low of $0.0000145. At the current price, investors who bought the dip are looking at blockbuster returns of 570,000%. Investors can generate extra earnings by staking their HEX coins. The project doles out rewards in the form of additional HEX tokens to investors who lock up large amounts of coins and leave them untouched for long periods. Those who end their staking early are penalized. The staking and reward model also keeps HEX's inflation and price volatility in check. Let's have a look at a few more predictions. According to Wallet Investor, HEX prices will grow from $0.120135347 to $0.369 in 1 year. That makes HEX a great investment. The long-term earning potential is 207.15%. The predicted price for the end of 2026 is $1.321. Digital Coin HEX price forecast for 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. In Digital Coin analysis, the price of HEX cryptocurrency will rise in the next 5 years, starting from $0.131267 to $0.5247422. It will go up to $0.220752 by 2022 and continue its growth in 2023-2024. Based on this forecast, HEX is a profitable long-term investment. As it can be clear from the analysis cited above, HEX projections are rather contradictory. There is no universal consensus either about positive or negative future HEX price movements. Indeed, the future possible growth depends on various factors: announcements, new technological solutions of the HEX projects, the crypto environment in general, legal position, and so on. We kindly remind you that it is essential to do your own wide-spectrum research before investing in any portfolios. With all that, we have come to an end of our video. We would love to hear it from you, so do let us know in the comment section below. Also, a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Finally, dropping a like for the video is highly appreciated. Catch y'all in the next one.